Hello guys, hope everyone is doing well, doing great. And in this short video, I'm come up with another concept of Excel that if you want to merge different columns data into a single column, then how you can do that. There can be multiple ways to handle that thing, but I'm guiding you to two ways that you can follow to merge multiple data or two column data into single column. So if we talk about this particular data that I already have in my Excel sheet, and I want to merge the column B with the column C to act as my full name, then how it can be done in Excel. So first I need to enter equal to sign, and then right here concat. Actually, this is the formula that gives in Excel an opportunity to merge the columns. So I open the bracket. Now the formula, you can see here, the formula guide will let you know that what you need to do the next step if you are concatenating multiple columns. So after concat, it asks you what should be your text one as a text one. So of course, as a text one, I am looking for B column, that is first name. So I'm going to select this. And after selecting text one, it provides me guidance in the text column in the text in the formula guide that it asks me to provide comma after selecting the first text. So I'm going to add comma here. Now it again guides me, if you want to add text 2, then you have to select it. So after comma, I am selecting my text 2. That should be the last name. And I do not want more columns to be merged into it. So I'm going to close the bracket. Now my formula is completed and I'm going to enter. So you see here that my both the two columns B and C columns are now concatenated, are now merged into a single column D as a full name. But if we talk about full name, it should be separated between first name and last name with the space, of course, that I would be looking for. And how we can do that? We can use the same formula by pressing F2 key. It will allow me to edit the formula. And after B2 means text one, comma, then I can add here inverted commas. And between inverted commas, I will click the space button. So it will allow me to add the space between the two columns data that I was using in this cell. And after inverted comma close, I will also provide here comma, so that now my formula is complete to give me the desired result. So let's enter and see. Yeah, this is the data that I was looking for. So I want to copy it till the end of the data. So I can simply click on the right bottom side of this cell where I have the cursor in this form. And by double clicking, I will copy the whole data till the end of the data. So this was the one way to handle the merging of data. If, for example, the concat word is missed from my memory, so is there any other option? Yes, there is. What you can do, you can simply enter equal to, and then select this particular cell that you want it to be added as a first text. So I click here and then enter the end button. And after that, I want spaces between them. So let's do the same activity, inverted commas, and between inverted commas, I am going to add a space. And then afterwards, I want to concatenate. So and is used to concatenate. So merge, and after and, I am going to select which column that I'm looking for as a second text. So I have selected the column C for which I was looking for, and simply enter. So it gives me the same result that I was having from concatenating formula. And to copy the same till the end of the data, I'm going to double click this arrow. So these were the techniques that you can follow to merge two columns or multiple columns data into a single column, and how you can add spaces between those merges that I also guided you. So this was all from my side in this video. I hope you would like it, and you can have it a usage in your life once you are handling any Excel work. And this is the way that you can handle bulk data rather than handling each row. So it gives you efficiency of work as well. So I hope you would like this video, and if you like it, so kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and share it with others. And hopefully in next video, I will come up with some new concept, another idea about Excel or anything else for educational purpose. So be connected with me, and I will be coming. Once I will come, you will have intimation for that. Thank you. Bye-bye.